front of me.
No, you were walking behind me. Why don't you accept that your vision is snowy?
My dear friends, stop fighting. Today, I want to escape to one of the beautiful places on earth.
Really? I know one such place.
Let me guess. Is it Rangavali's garden?
Yes, you're right.
Rangavali, what a pretty name. Doesn't it resemble mine? If her name is so pretty, she would also be a very beautiful girl.
Yes, indeed.
And so is her garden.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go. Wait, before we go there, we need to change our appearance. We cannot go to the earth in this form.
Yes.
Let's change.
What a beautiful garden. Hey intruders, how dare you enter my garden?
We are here just to play.
My garden is not your playground. Get out of here, now.
But we won't harm any plant.
It's my garden. I own it. No one can have pleasure to enjoy its beauty. It's all mine. Rangavali, your attitude is too arrogant. Nothing belongs to a single person in this world. This colorful garden is appreciated to the moon and back. But your arrogant nature does not allow anyone to enjoy its beauty. The vivid colors of your garden are not just for you. There are emotions attached to these colors. You should learn about them before you own this garden. Dear Tint and Tinge, remove all the colors from Rangavali's life and don't give them back until she learns about their importance. No, you cannot do it. Please don't do it.
If you listen to us, we can bring all the colors back.
मेम साहब, ई बक्सा हमें तोहार पीछे वाले आंगन से मिला है। ई बक्सा चमत्कारी लग रहा है।
Open the box.
There are clues in the box.
If we solve them, the garden will be colorful once again.
It says Hirkani. What does that mean?
हिरकनी? हाँ, मुझे पता है इस कहानी के बारे में। हिरकनी एक दूध बेचने वाली थी जो छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के राज्य के रायगढ़ किले की तलहटी में रहती थी।
For Rangavali, you are right.
Red is the color of love.
Goddess Iris, the goddess of colors. Please bring the red color with you.
Colors fade, colors lost. Return to the garden at any cost. By the power of the rainbow's might. Dear Red, take the flight. Oh, thank you, dear Iris. Bless you, child. Tint and Tinge, thank you for your guidance.
Dear Iris, we are always there for you.
लाल रंग मिल गवा। आप कहे तो दूसरी पर्ची मैं निकालूं?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Tell me fast, oh gardener, what is there in the chip?
There's a picture in it. Let me check. Oh, it is the National Martyrs Memorial.
Can someone tell me what it is about?
I will not tell you. I will show you.
Wow, Tim, this feeling is above all. I'm so moved by the thought of sacrifice.
Orange is the color of sacrifice.
Yes, Tinge, you are right. Rangavali, you have understood the meaning of orange color. Now, you can get the orange color back. Goddess Iris, the goddess of colors, please bring the orange color with you.
Colors fade, colors lost. Return to the garden at any cost. By the power of the rainbow's might. Dear Orange, take the flight. Thank you, dear Iris. Bless.
निकालो।
Yay, it's my chance.
Another picture? I know this too.
No tent. This time I will solve the puzzle because I know it's about the happy prince.
टिन भैया, अब ये भी बता दो कि खुशी का रंग कौन सा होता है?
Yellow. Yellow is the color of happiness. Dear Iris, the goddess of color, please bring the yellow color with you.
Colors fade, colors lost. Return to the garden at any cost. By the power of the rainbow's might. Dear Yellow, take the flight. It says Chipko. Hey Tiz, what are you doing? तुम मुझसे क्यों चिपक रही हो?
अभी ने तो कहा भी चिपको.
No dear, it's the word written in the chit.
Oh, is that so? But what does it mean?
I think this is about the Chipko movement. There was a man, an environmentalist, Mr. Sundarlal Bahu. My colors? No. Our colors are now coming back.
Yes, dear Rangavali. Now you are gaining wisdom.
Wisdom? Wisdom. That's what the next clue is.
Pinch, you naughty girl, you have already read the next clue.
Yes, sorry. Indigo. Indigo is the color of wisdom.
Dear Iris, the goddess of color, please bring the indigo color.
Colors fade, colors lost. Return to the garden at any cost. By the power of the rainbow's might. Dear Indigo, take the flight.
अब इस अंतिम पर्ची को खोलने का समय आए गवा है। फिर हमार बगिया? नहीं, तो हार बगिया।
No, Ramu Bhaiya, it's your garden as well.
थैंक यू मैम साहब। फिर हमार बगिया फिर से रंग बिरंगी हो जाएगी।
You are right, Ramu.
Yes, let's open it together.
Let's do it together.
It says Ratan Tata.
I would like you all to join me to say the charm.
Yay! Colors fade, colors lost. Return to the garden at any cost. By the power of the rainbow's might. Dear Violet, take the flight.
Always.
It calls for the celebration.
Yes, let's celebrate. Let's have a rainbow theme party.